Hello, guys. Welcome back to Sorry, didn't get set up, but welcome back to another video. And today we are going to build a car in automation. The reason why I'm on OBS Studio. Sorry for the no audio recordings. There was no audio. Something went wrong with my keyboard shortcuts right here, and it made my mic mute the whole time. So now I checked, see it's moving, mic aux right there, and that's where I am talking. Yeah, we go in here. For this game, we don't need our keyboards. Throw that behind us. We would like to play the DX12. I actually created a few. I'm gonna show you one that I just made. I don't know, tell me if it sounds like a GTR or not. I know that's not only me, that sounds like a GTR. That is not only me. Anyways, hold on. So, this is what the engine looks like. It looks a little bit weird, but it's really cool. It's weird. Anyways, we shall dive right in to making a new engine. For this, we're going to make a V90, and it's going to be a V10. No, not V16, a V10. We haven't done a V10 yet. I know there's a lot of hate on them, saying that they sound weird, but I don't know. Let's give them a try. Don't knock it till you try it. Or maybe some people actually already tried. Let's speed make this. We loved our forged pistons. Those are the best pistons forged. And we're going to leave these until we are done. Okay, injection, direct injection, injection per similar provide needed. A little bit more quality, and then race, dual. Can we get none qualify? No. And let's build this engine. Well, we already did, but why does every engine in this game sound like a GTR? That sounds like a GTR. That sounds like a GTR shifting. Actually, we have an empty spot right here. Let's make another boxer engine. I know they look weird, but we're gonna make a motorcycle engine. I'm just kidding. We're not going to make a motorcycle engine. We'll make the tiniest engine that we can, though. We are going to make a little itty bitty tent. We're going to make a little itty bitty engine. But there is going to be exhaust sticking out of it, and that's going to mess with it a little. Other than that, then we're good. Naturally aspirated. I'm trying to make a tiny engine here. Direct injection. First cylinder. High. Like that. Quality done. High flow 3. Actually, none. Nothing wrong with our car. See, no current warnings. Now let's test it. Its peak is right there. 163 horsepower. It doesn't make that much, but we are getting some horsepower into there. And yeah, that's is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys all have a very, very good day. I wish you the best of luck to all of you. It's called automation if you want it for yourself. So maybe make some engines, and then you can and if you decide to make a car, you can put it in BeamNG Drive and then drive it, and that's how they make the custom cars. So every YouTuber that makes custom cars and imports them in BeamNG have been exposed. Anyways, bye.